I keep seeing these on TikTok, and I figured with 20 plus years of HVAC, maintenance, plumbing, electrical, carpentry, automotive, welding, a little bit of everything, I could help out a little bit. So, yeah, that's not going to work. Let me show you what will work, okay? Walk on over here to my old dinky garden hose. Let's turn that sucker on. Let's take this. Take a little walk to your AC unit. Now look up inside here. See those fins? They could be a lot of different styles, but one thing that happens to all of them, they get dirty. Mainly from mowing, dogs, all sorts of stuff, dust. All you need to do, rinse it off. See what's coming out the bottom down there? Look at that. All dirt. Quick and easy. Your system will be down to 70, no problem.